Hello, class. I hope your week is going well thus far. I cannot believe we're already at Unit 4 and the halfway point. So please keep up the excellent work. It's actually just unbelievable that we're already at this point. I just want to sort of highlight a couple of things. You'll notice that this week, in addition to the discussion board assignment and interactive assignment, there will also be a midterm exam. Just please keep in mind you'll have only two attempts to complete the midterm assignments. And the highest of your grade is the one that will count towards your final grade. So I would just suggest going back, review some of the posts that you've submitted, some of the assignments we've done so far, just to help you prepare. And again, as we move forward and complete the rest of the term, any questions or concerns, feel free to email, text, call. I'm happy to help in any way I can. Keep up the good work.